everyone, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can use a status property in Notion, and it should gives you a clarity of your task. So first of all, let's suppose we have a table called task, and just right click and you just need to turn it into a database and just name it as task. So task title, and then you can say date. It's gonna be completion date. Then you can select a property called status, and then you can say assign to, and just need to change it to select, where you can select all the persons here. So let's suppose this is a table we have with title, completion date. This is a property which is which property I'm going to I'm just changing its name to status, and assign to. So let's suppose the task is web design, database design, and the completion date should be 25th of August, 31st of August. I just want to delete this row here, and then you can say it's assigned to Sam and it's assigned to Ella. Just change it to Ella. And let's suppose if I wanna you can see these types of statuses are available here for status. So you can say this is in progress and this is done. So this is the status property, and the interesting part here is you can add more statuses here. Let's suppose you want to add a status called review. So once you hit this, you can see there's a status called review as well. So yep, so this is a status property. What else you can do with this is you can use the existing filters and just sort by status. So you can say you want to see all the tasks which are complete, so you can just hit complete or done, or in progress, and you can also sort them via status. So ascending status, you can do descending. It's alphabetical order, guys. So yeah, you can do this thing with it. Also, there's an interesting thing here with Notion is you can add multiple views. So the multiple views, the most important view which can be go with the status property is board. So if you hit board, and you can hit board and group by. So there's a property here called group by. So you need to group by, not by assign to, but by status. So yep, so you can move your task around and you can see your task, which status are they on. And yep, so this is the board view which you can use here with the status property, and it's pretty good. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I'll be watching more videos and looking forward to seeing you again. Thank you.